Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the printer is showing as an unspecified device on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, it's not very difficult to resolve it, but before anything else, just search for Device Manager, open the Device Manager, expand the list for the printer drivers, right click on it and select Update Drivers. If it is visible, if it still says unspecified device, then right click on the Start button, select Settings. Go to the System tab on the list on the right hand side, scroll down and select Troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters and click on the corresponding to the printer troubleshooter. These are the two main solutions, but will they solve it? Well, not necessarily. So in some cases it will still show it as an unspecified device. Unplug it, switch off the printer, then switch it on. This time it will not be connected directly most probably. So right click on the Start button, select Settings, go to the Bluetooth and Devices tab, go to Printers and Scanners, click on Add Device and find the device from this method and add it. For example, I added my Canon printer. I added it through the Printers and Devices tab, not through its own software, because that can cause issues. This is the newest way to do it, and this is the way Microsoft wants you to do it. So this is the way it should work. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.